JTDaShiell, and this is my digit sum calculator. For this project, I used the online Java compiler IDE provided by JDoolittle. The first thing that needs to happen with any project is to set the initial coding, such as setting the public class, which I set to CST-105 JTDaShiell to identify my project, and starting the string of code. Next, we have to define our integers. Our integers will be j, digits, and sum. To start, we will set all of those to 0, but they will be changed once we put in our input. J will be our inputted number for our loop command, as well as the number that the digits will be compiled from. The digits will be defined by the number of digits in the number we input, and the sum will be defined in the command process. Then we will set our scanner up so we will have our input using our system.in command, which will allow the user to choose a number, and the number chosen will define j, the number that will determine how many times our code will be rerun with our next command, as well as providing the digits that will be added together. Our loop will be set so that when j is greater than 0, the code will be rerun, and it will continue to run until j is 0. The process begins when we use our modulus command, denoted with the parentheses, to find the last digit of the number, using the remainder when dividing the number by 10. Then that number will be added to the current sum, which starts at 0 but goes up as the process continues. Next, we will divide j by 10 to remove the last number, and because of our loop command, the process will continue until all the digits are gone through. Finally, we will close our code. After closing with the final parentheses at the end, our line of code is finished. But does it work? Looking at the Java compiler, I have already set our code so that we can test it. For our first test, we will use the inputted 5-digit number in the exercise 1 instructions, 30,458. After plugging that into our input, we will see that our result is 20, and using arithmetic, we can verify that that is correct. Let's try another number. How about 98,432? After plugging that in, we will see our result will be 26. Our code is working as it should. Now this code can also do numbers that are lower and higher than 5 digits. For example, we can put in the number of 34, and it'll put our sum of digits as 7. We could put in 7,777,777, and it'll put our sum of digits as 49. In summary, this is a line of code that will make the sum of all the digits in the number as its result. Thank you for your time.